Learning through play is fun and interactive with the Touch and Learn Activity Desk Deluxe from VTech. A wide selection of activity cards offers infinite ways to expand your child's mind through educational play. From letters and reading,
let's count. 1,
to numbers
2,
and counting.
3.
1, 2, 3.
And it transitions easily from a desk to a chalkboard to an easel to inspire even more creativity. The 3-in-1 Touch and Learn Activity Desk Deluxe from VTech.
Press a letter or instrument to play jukebox. Circle. Do you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good counting.
With sparkling lights and playful songs, the Learning Lights remote lets them have their fun without stealing yours. Scouts Learning.
The Write and Learn Creative Center introduces early writing skills in an interactive and fun way. Through 6 activity modes and animated demonstrations, preschoolers follow along to write upper and lowercase letters and learn to draw 26 different objects. Customize the toy to show your child how to write their name, or let little artists get creative with the stencils and stamps.
Hi, let's learn about letters with me, Mr. Pencil. Letter Zoo! To visit an animal, put a letter into its puzzle space and push down. A.
Alligator.
A is for alligator. Tap, tap.
Should we see what T is for?
Yeah.
T. Turtle.
Turtle.
Let's write it. Let's turn it into a letter animal. It's an octopus. Now you try. Now, draw this.
All right, are you ready?